And now something for, well, for the Festival of Lights. Welcome back. And today we're going to create a cocktail known as Holiday at the Hive. Now this was created by a New York bartender, Nick Maltone, I think his last name is. I do apologize if I just butchered his last name. It's really a pretty citrusy little number, utilizing a lot of orange, but also utilizing honey, hence the hive part. And holiday because it utilizes star anise in a form. We'll get into that in a minute. So I haven't had this, so let's go ahead and let's create it. This is a shaken cocktail, which means, of course, grab your shaker. Now, you need to take a lemon. You might remember this from my bamboo episode. You need to give this a slice. I need a ½ ounce of lemon juice. And now I need the same of orange juice. You might remember orange juice also from my Apple Jackrabbit video, among others. And now to play with that orange note, I also need a ½ ounce of orange liqueur. Triple sec would be preferred. Grand Marnier would also be good. I'm using dry curacao. And one thing that I forgot is the honey element. The recipe I'm going with, it says to call for hot water and honey. Well, that's what this is. This is honey syrup. For the honey aspect, I'm going to go with a ½ ounce of honey syrup. This is 3:1 honey to water. Really dial up those notes. And now for the hard stuff, I need Grey Goose L'Orange vodka. I need an ounce of this. And now for the extra spice aspect of this. I have star anise powder in here. This is part of a mortar and pestle. I took a star anise pod, threw it in here, pounded it, crushed it up a little bit, give myself a little bit of star anise powder using 1 pinch of star anise powder. Large cube into the tin, add your cocktail, give this a pop. I'm gonna let it sit for a second, let that ice try and temper itself. Shake. Take Nick and Nora small coupe, something along that line. You're gonna want to serve this up, okay? Hawthorne and strain. Outstanding. The Holiday at the Hive. Cheers. It's like a slightly spiced orange juice, really. The orange vodka, the curacao, the orange juice. The lemon juice just adds a little bit more richness. The star anise adds a little bit of spice. But everything was like, this is really, to me, like a spiced orange juice, really. It's a nice cocktail, I have to say. And I like the foam that was developed on the top, on the head, from the honey syrup idea. It's a good cocktail. But I wonder, seems a little one note. I'm going to reach for something, and I'm reaching for this just for a little bit more of a festive feel. I'm going to add ½ a bar spoon of cinnamon syrup. The cocktail alone is fine, you know, but if you want something a little bit more festive, add a little bit more spice, maybe a little bit of cinnamon syrup will work. A little bit of cinnamon syrup added. Give this a taste. Ooh. Now that just added everything. That just added an extra layer of complexity. So taking cinnamon syrup adds an extra dimension to this. Adds an extra spice layer to it. Actually makes it feel a little bit more festive to me. The cocktail before was just fine. It tasted like a spiced out orange juice. This adds a little bit more flavor, a little bit more complexity to it. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. If you want to use any of the barware that I use on my show, check the links down below. They are Amazon affiliate links. If you click one of those links, make a purchase of that item, I receive a bit of the kickback. thank you in advance if you choose to do so. You can find me on my socials right here. I try to be on my personal YouTube page on Saturday nights with the holidays coming in. Saturday nights become a bit of a respite for me because of my current day job. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail, and this has been The Beginner's Bar.